In this video tutorial, we'll go over how to connect all of your social profiles to Constant Contact. To begin, click Channels, Social. From there, click Accounts. Let's connect Facebook first. A pop-up will display asking you to log into Facebook. Once you're logged in, follow any prompts. Your Facebook account is now connected to Constant Contact. Select any of the business pages you want to make posts to. Next, let's connect Instagram. Enter your Instagram login information and then click Login. Allow the permissions, and that's it. Your Instagram account is now connected. Next up is LinkedIn. You'll be taken to LinkedIn and asked to log in if you're not already. Once you're logged in, follow any prompts. From there, select your company page. Next up is TikTok. A pop-up will display explaining that we're going to take you to TikTok to link your account. Once on the login screen, choose how you want to log in. Follow any prompts, and then look over the permissions. Click Continue to approve them. You'll then be taken back to Constant Contact, where you need to select the TikTok account you want to add. Then click Add Selected. Your TikTok account is now connected to Constant Contact. Your account's connected, you can start creating posts by clicking Create Social Post. And that's how easy it is to connect your social profiles to your Constant Contact account.